You are powerfully welcome to episode 75. We want to prove some trigonometrical functions. Show that tan theta equals to sin theta cos theta. 2. Show that cot theta is cosec theta over sec theta. So we want to show that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let's have our right angle triangle. As this one is theta, let this one be opposite, facing the reference angle. This is a hypotenuse, while this is a adjacent. So let the opposite be equal to A, and the hypotenuse let it be B. Adjacent let it be equivalent to C. So from our previous episode, we say TOA, that is tan theta. TOA, that is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. And what is the opposite? A over C. Let's keep it in memory location 1. Memory location 1. Then let's look at the right hand side. Sin theta, that is so, and that is opposite over hypotenuse, and that is opposite is A, hypotenuse is B. Then what of our cos theta? That is K, that is adjacent over hypotenuse, and that gives us adjacent C over what? B. So if that is the case, let's now place it on one another. Sin theta over cos theta will now be equal to A over B all over C over B. If we rewrite it like that, we can have A over B divided by B over, C over B. So if we change it, we have A over B times B over C. B we cancel B. Then we now have A over C. Let's keep it in memory location 2. You can now see that the A over C. So equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So that means if that is the case, that means tan theta of the equation 1 is equal to sin theta over cos theta. Proved. So if they ask you to prove that process, that is what you can use. Let's go to the second one. Cot theta equals to cosec theta all over sec theta. So we have our reference again. This is the opposite, which we say equal to our A. This one is adjacent, which is equal to our C. Then hypotenuse, which is equivalent to our B. So we deal with the left hand side first. Cot theta, that is cotau, adjacent over opposite, that is C over A. So let's keep it in memory location 3. Then we need cosec theta. Our cosec theta will now be that is sha, that is hypotenuse over adjacent, and that will be hypotenuse is B over adjacent C. So also sec theta is sha, kutao. Sho sha kutao. Sorry, cosec theta is 1 over sine theta. Sine theta. So it is hypotenuse over opposite, which is b over a. Then sec theta, which is going to be hypotenuse over adjacent, and that is hypotenuse is b over c. So that is, if that is the case, let's now place it upon one another. Sec theta over cosec theta over sec theta will now be b over a divided by b over c. This implies b over a divided by b over c. So if we change it, we are going to have b over a multiplied by c over b. B will cancel b, then we have c over a. So that means cosec theta all over sec theta equals to c over a. Keep it in memory location 4. So since equation 3 is also equivalent to equation 4, therefore we can say that cot theta is equal to cosec theta all over sec theta. Proved. Thank you for stay tuned to this channel. We want you to share the video and also subscribe to our channel for more of this trigonometrical proof, one after the other. We don't want to take it much so that you can get the understanding. Thank you and God bless.